Right guys, this is the radio I've got, and it's the Hydra from Pyle. Not the greatest in the world, but it should work pretty good. It's got Bluetooth, radio, a couple other things, but that's mainly what I was looking for. And mostly that it will fit in that stock spot, because this is a regular den size that will fit in there. So put that in there. I do have the kickers in now. Those are gonna look pretty good. So we should get those in. And then just figuring out the gauges and placement. And so that's the next thing I do. All right guys, so for the dash in here, I've actually used a piece of carbon fiber that we had, which was from a race shop that I got a while back. And it's just a piece that I was gonna make into a panel and never did. Looks like it's gonna work out pretty good in here. So I'm gonna do my speedo and my tachometer right here. Maybe some other things, maybe do a gauge over here and there, and then obviously the radio and speakers and stuff. So I think that'll work pretty good. All right guys, that looks pretty dang killer. An old piece of scrap carbon fiber. I think the dash is gonna look good, and that'll be a fuel gauge there, but it looks pretty awesome. Camera's out here riding on the dirt bike. All right, there's the plate, fully mounted in here. Just did some brackets and got it screwed into place. Used some rubber trim. This is fender flare trim that I had from doing the Genesis. Wide body on there. Now the gauges fit pretty good. A little snug. I don't want to push it all the way down in there, but that's gonna look pretty dang killer.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at amsoil.com.
Right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.